Hello everyone, today we will be doing some more Bakugan. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so I've lost my poor Juggernaut the last battle to like a 20 G power difference, so we got Reaper instead. I guess it's an upgrade, I guess it's worth it. But I just like Juggernaut, you know? Alright, let's get into it. From now on forth, I will try to make my gameplays with commentary. I couldn't make the last one with commentary because it was late at night.
We got this.
Do you want to play Bakugan with me?
The map is so bugged. But you know, it's whatever, man. I don't expect anyone to watch these anyway. Maybe like a few people. But I mean, it still does the job, you know. I will try. Hold on. I will try to increase. No. I will try to increase the brightness. Yep. All right. This looks a lot better on my screen. I'm using Xenia emulator, I believe. Wait, which one is this? No, not the orange. And it bugs. I didn't have any problems with Defenders of the Core. So yeah. Maybe in the future, if I do like a more hardcore, a really hardcore, then I might try to fix it. And by the way, I mean, I'm trying to speed through the first arc of the game because it's just too easy, you know, like me losing a Bakugan, chances are very slim of me losing a Bakugan. And if it is because of a stupid small thing. Sometimes my joystick lags or the emulator lags, so you know, that's whatever. Okay, so we're on my gay card. Also, you guys might have noticed that I mostly play on my own gay card. Well, I mean, they have higher G powers. They have like 500 sometimes against my 200, so I guess me having my own card makes more sense. I might add more rules in the future for the next gameplay. Alright. Let me get this. Ah, bro. No, I don't want to lose. Oh, no, I'm not losing. I'm a Giga Chad. I hope the game volume isn't too loud, my friends. I've muted in my OBS settings.
Yes, I won.
Player one's turn.
Yeah. The graphics, I'll try to fix it, but it's whatever, you know. I mean, I hope it doesn't hurt anyone's eyes or something. I think it will be fixed in the future, or it won't be as bad in future battles. Wait, which one did I want? Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. Reaper. I love Reaper. The Darkness Reaper, you know, like Aqua and stuff. But I feel like Aqua's fits my personality better. But we need like an Aqua's dragon. Wait, why is there G power so low? It's usually like 500 or something, I don't know. Maybe I'm a bit over leveled. I hope not. Okay, so yeah. I just need like an Aqua's dragon. I think that will be the perfect match for me. Like, it needs to be Aqua's, but it needs to be evil, you know? I think that will be a perfect match. Like a Masquerade, or like an Aqua's version of Masquerade. I think that will be awesome. For me personally. Nice graphics, lol.
Ready?
Yeah. I'm sorry if it's boring you guys. You hear me? Hey! Why is it like this? What was that, guys? Why did it? I almost lost. Alright, see ya.
Yes, I won.
Player one's turn.
Right. Let's see. We got Robotallion. It's a useless card anyway, so I'm gonna go
Bakugan brawl.
go on her
Bakugan
card.
stand.
Make it more interesting.
Stand. CPU2's turn.
But I believe it will be harder in the future because I won't be using Dragonoid and they'll be having like 500 G powers.
Stand.
Or like that. Like let's say she has like a Terror Cloud 8 card or something. Which is unlikely, but I don't know these NPCs now. I haven't played this game in a long time.
Open.
Oof. Catch up. Wait, what's that card? Background usually play with the least gate cards gets. Oh no. That's bad. Yo guys, this might be the end for Robotallion. No joke. Alright, I can use them all. Yeah, I can use them all. Like that's what I mean. Stuff like that can happen, and imagine that happening in later games,
Ability card.
later stages of the game. Well, then you're pretty much in trouble. I will try to look first on my channel. I need to make this a family-friendly channel
Ready?
or something. But I'm still human, you know. I'm gonna try my best. I don't get it. Why does it block somehow? I think because... Yeah. Okay, that was lucky. It's blocking, I don't know why. Good shot. Yeah. Alright.
Yes, I won.
I might be doing a Bakugan Defense of the Core Hardcore walkthrough as well.
That's my skills talking.
With the holograms, of course, because that's just like... There's a line between hard and like tedious, you know? Like, it's not supposed to feel like a chore. It has to be fun. Right?
I should reorganize my deck.
How much? Like, how much battles? Jenny. Ooh. Aquas. What's Aquas? Right. Oh, Siege. I love Siege. I think Siege is a very cool Bakugan, especially Aqua Siege. The Aqua Siege is cool as well, but Aqua's blue is my favorite color. I like Aqua's, the element, Siren and stuff. But Hydra is just too cool.
We got this.
We got this.
I accept your challenge. Game start.
Hold on, guys. I hope. Alright. I just wanted to make sure my mic was on. Because I believe it has happened in the past. I was speaking to myself like a bonobo. Oh, Skyrus. Cool. I think I can fix this by playing the PS3 emulation thingy. I think that's fixable, but yeah. I have an Xbox controller, so I prefer Xbox emulator. Even though I never had an Xbox, only PlayStation. In the future I can make. I wish it was like a Reaper against the Siege. Like look at that. But it's my card, so you know, it's nice. Look at that. Look at that. My favorite Bakugan. My favorite Aqua's Bakugan. The Siege. There you go. I think I can catch up to her. Yep. It's 100G. Should be fine. Okay. Shooting battle. Cool.
Ready?
Antis is cool as well, but just like... Like speed and power. No defense. All speed and power. I think it's important for a Bakugan to be a bit tanky as well. not just pure power and speed, because you know. My ideal Bakugan should be a bit of a bruiser, like a fighter role in games, like the League of Legends or something. My favorite class.
Yes, I won.
Good job, pal.
Player one's turn.
Okay. No, not this. Oh man. Oh wait, no. I thought it was confusion. Bro, confusion is so annoying. It's like a. I mean, I hope none of my viewers are LFC because, brother, we'll just be knocked out.
Bakugan, brawl. Bakugan, stand.
God, I love Bakugan.
Stand.
So cool.
CPU2's turn.
I wish there would be like old school Bakugan tournaments, but in real life. I don't know many people that would like to have a Bakugan.
Player one's turn.
Okay, so it's shield. How much HP? 420. I can't dash. Okay, let's go fight. Reaper, I believe in you.
Bakugan, brawl.
Okay, I don't have.
Bakugan, stand.
Stand.
420. I hope that they don't have like these trick cards, like change G power or something, or at least or lose health 20 G power.
Game card open.
420. Ah, yeah. Speaking of the devil. I just had to jinx it, but it's fine. Okay, so for my first time viewers,
Ready?
let me do this. Man, if I just side to side, it just doesn't work. It just blocks for some reason. I don't know what it is. So I will go up and down, up and down, up and down. Wait, it's slow. Get pooped on, dude. Okay, so for my first time viewers,
Yes, I won.
CPU2's turn.
the rules are. Hold on. Alright, okay.
Player one's
I
turn.
have enough time. So the rules are: if you lose a Bakugan, it will be sent to the Doom Dimension. What else were the rules? I forgot. No using Leonidas unless forced, unless like in some battles you have to use them, or if you don't have any Bakugan, because we had to send them all to the Doom Dimension. Only one double stand for each game. What else was it? Yeah, only upgrading at the end or at the start of each like chapter tournament. What else? Was it? Yeah, no picking up G powers. I think that was it. Yeah.
Bakugan, brawl. Bakugan, stand.
Obviously no over leveling.
Double stand.
But I mean, I don't pick up G power, so it's not over leveling. No, it's like balances things out.
That's my skills talking.
Good job, pal. Good job, brother. I'm gonna switch. I think I could hack it with cheat engine. I wish there was like a version in like a Pokemon Nuzlocke, in randomizer, that you can start with like a Hydro Note as a starter Bakugan and go through the story as Hydro Note. I mean, you can later on, but you know, like on the early stages. Maybe one day we'll find a nice hacker. Okay, so we haven't lost a battle yet. Just how much? Chun-Li. Okay, it's gonna start getting harder. Yep. I think I know who we're fighting next. I'm not gonna spoil it for the guys but I think I remember vaguely. Field open.
Game start.
Okay, but Chun-Li. I will split this one down because it's basically useless. Ooh.
Player one's turn.
I mean, I could add an extra rule that I can't use my own gate cards, but then I think they will be too tryhard. Like, it's possible, but it's like too tryhard. I think that will erase the line between like fun and a draw.
Bakugan, brawl.
I don't think.
Bakugan, stand.
I'm pretty sure in the future it could get like harder, like maybe
See,
2
you
tournaments
turn.
after this or 1 or something. I don't know. I forgot.
I don't believe it.
Player one's turn.
And since it's the end game that is important, here.
Gate card, set.
It's the end game that is important. So, yeah. And if we lose a battle,
Bakugan, brawl.
like an entire match, I mean, not a
Bakugan,
battle,
stand.
that's game over. That's a reset.
CBU2's
So if it
turn.
happens that I lose, which is unlikely unless like a battle royale. I almost lost in the last episode.
Stand.
Which was it? No, it wasn't the last one. It was it? I forgot, but I almost lost. Too close. Or Marshall was it? Sleeper. God, I'll live Aquas.
Gate card, open.
I like Paris' personality. He seems like fun. He's not too serious. What's up with the enemies with their 420 G power?
Ability card.
I like Paris. Also Diablo and stuff. Angelo. He's pretty cool as well, in my opinion. But if I were a Bakugan Battle Brawler, I wouldn't choose Paris as my name. I think Hydroid. He's just pretty cool. Hydroid, but Aquos. I think it will be perfect match for me. Hydroid or Aquos, I don't know. Even then. Get stabbed.
Yes, I won.
Player one's turn.
I have 4 myself. 4 Bakugans. A Darkest Alpha Hydronite. Excuse me. I'm gonna drink some water before continuing my interesting. Jeez. Okay. So I got myself a Hydronoid. Darkest Alpha Hydronoid.
Bakugan, brawl.
Darkest Centipoid, Darkest Stormquake. No, yeah.
Bakugan,
And
stand.
Darkest XE Giraffe for 75 with a few
CBU2's
gate cards.
turn.
I mean, that's not the best price, but it's definitely not a scam. It's like normal price, I believe. And they are all in good condition.
I don't believe it.
Player one's
And let's call
turn.
myself a Darkest Percival. No, Aquos Percival, because I think it looks very cool. Aquos Hades also looks very cool. Sorry. Okay, so in a situation like that, we could make it fun. You know what? I'm gonna make it fun. I'm gonna make it fun. You know what?
Bakugan, brawl.
Here, I'm gonna make it challenging.
Bakugan, stand.
I'm not gonna speedrun through it.
Stand.
There we go.
CBU2's turn.
Her best bet will be to attack my Reaper.
Bakugan, stand.
Or no, my Battalion.
Stand.
Oh, this might be an help, guys. Please no fortress. Yo, never mind, boys. Nice one, Chelmy.
Ability card.
Your Bonobo. Alright.
Ability card.
You know what? For the fun. Just for the memes.
Ability card, activate.
Just for the memes. I don't want to mess with a fortress, you know. Oof. I don't like power battles. I like the other two. Power battles are too tryhard. But it's whatever. Like, look at this. Oh wait, it's easy. I guess I gotta go slow because when I go fast it's block. Yeah, like that. Wait, what? Okay. You always suck, gentlemen. And the anime were pretty good. Speaking of the anime, I've finished watching it like
Yes, I won.
yesterday, the day before yesterday.
Player one's turn.
I don't remember, but alright. So I will take the anime gate cards. I'm wondering if I can like
Bakugan, brawl.
Yeah, I can.
Bakugan, stand.
Double stand.
I'm abusing my own Bakugans.
You won't beat me. That's my skills talking.
There are no laws concerning Bakugans, so I just have to cough. What's happening to me, man? Sorry about that.
It's almost time for the next game.
I don't know. I'm dying while recording. At least I'm dying having fun. Oh, Julie. I don't remember fighting Julie. I thought it was Masquerade.
Win!
We got
Julie looks
this.
better in the anime though. For real.
Gorham is coming to defeat you.
Yeah. Oh wait, she has a Goron.
Start.
Game card set.
Player one's turn.
I'm dying whilst trying to record a video. No. That's a good, what is it called?
Game card set.
Let's go, Mr. Swords.
Bakugan, brawl. Bakugan, stand.
Stand.
So if they would spear attack me, I would pretty much,
turn.
it's a pretty much a loss for me.
Bakugan, stand!
But they don't. I think, that's fine.
Stand.
Could have been worse. Okay, so we got equal G power, basically.
Game card open.
There was someone suggesting on the Reddit that if you have low G power, when the battle starts, you just lose. I think that's like a stupid rule. That removes like a lot of fun. And it would force you to pick up all the G powers. Oh, that's the way to play.
Ability card,
But
activate!
not my way to play.
Ready?
God damn it, what? Oh, I thought it was the power man. I couldn't add an extra rule that I can't use like these bonuses. I have to make mistakes on purpose to get bonuses.
Yes, I won.
Player one's turn.
I have no idea why I'm talking. I'm gonna go. Wait. Wait, she has a Goron,
Card set.
which I'm afraid of, obviously. Because that's a Pikachu.
Bakugan, brawl.
I hope she doesn't put Goron.
Bakugan, stand.
Stand. CPU2's turn.
Game card, set! Bakugan, brawl!
Alright, I'm back. I'll search you for that. For some reason, I'm just coughing. Oh, another Goron. Come on, man. Another Goron.
Bakugan, stand!
Stand. Player one's turn.
Yo, man, I don't know if I can continue this. I might have to mute. So he has a Gigachat, he has a 200 card, but...
Bakugan, brawl.
Wait, I forgot! No! Do I... Okay. You know what, I'm gonna go fighter. I'm gonna go take the risk. Fighter.
Bakugan, stand.
Probably a character card, so...
Stand.
Which means I am pretty... Please no character cards. Okay. There's hope, guys. And girls. If there's any girls watching. I'm gonna go with the plus 100. I hope he doesn't go for the 200. Okay. That's the thing, you know, with the AIs. You have to play smart. I want this challenge to rely on collective and being clever rather than forced and straight. Because that's not fun, you know, that's not fun to watch. I personally enjoy my own commentary. I hope you guys do as well. I make videos for fun. As a hobby. I messed up. Not many. How does it feel to really get your Gorum beat? I wish you could like steal a Bakugan. It would be pretty cool. I mean, the developer had a lot of opportunity, but I mean,
CU2's turn.
so I'm gonna try to do a double stand or not. What was that, Mrs. Julie? Go the other way. You're so troll. I'm just gonna unload your... Imagine this being multiplayer. I think that would be so fun. Like imagine... I think it'll be a good game. You know, there's no overpowered stuff. They should limit the amount of G-power you can have per team. Like for example, let's say, what is it, 800 something. So you have 500 Gorum, Gorum. No, not 5. No, yeah, at 200 one or whatever. Okay, so that's good. I think it will be a lot of fun. My personal opinion. Maybe in the future.
Bakugan, stand!
Double stand.
Gimme.
You won't beat me!
Indeed, you won't beat me.
That's my skills talking! It's almost time for the next game.
So,
My
it's pretty sure it's Sean. Yep. As expected. Okay, Sean is pretty cool. He has a skyrus. Right? Siege? I don't remember. I don't recall Sean having a siege in the series. Could be wrong. I'm gonna search it up. Let's see. Never mind. I'm too lazy to do all that.
open! We got this! Just in time. Let's do this!
Game start.
Ooh, Sean Kazami.
Game card, set!
Player one's turn.
Like, you know what? Oh, never mind. I'm good. I'm good, brother.
Game card, set!
In the future, I plan on making like
Bakugan, brawl! Bakugan, stand!
Stand.
like just random battles as random characters.
CU2's turn.
For example, I want to go as Masquerade and defeat everyone, just like in the series,
Bakugan, stand!
and take the Bakugan.
Player one's turn.
It will be a lot of imaginary gameplay, of course, obviously, but... And the music stopped for me. I hope it didn't stop. Wow, yeah. But he has bad defense. Wait, what's my card? How much does it give to a Chaos? If I can see. 20. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna go for it. Wait, it's a weak one. Yeah, it's whatever. Not this one. This one, yes.
Bakugan brawl.
Okay, okay, we got it.
Bakugan
We got it.
stand.
Please. Ah,
Sphere attack.
that's more fair. Okay, that's more fair. Music is back. Let's see what Ventus Siege look like. Actually, it doesn't look bad. Because I'm not really a Ventus type.
Gate card open.
My rankings are Cetera, no, Aquos, Darkus, Virus, Cetera, Eos, and Ventus. I just don't like Ventus, guys. I don't know. I mean, it's cool. You have Skyrus and whatever, Ingram, but eh,
Ready?
just not my thing. Well, never, I would never deliberately choose Ventus over anything, I guess. Yeah, that's fine, but I don't know. It's like not cool enough, you know. Like it's okay, but it's just mediocre. Yeah, it's just mediocre in my opinion. That's why it's the low tier of list. Cetera is cool. It's Earth. I love Cetera. Bakugan.
Yes, I won.
CPU2's turn.
But they're like too. Like it's too
Gate
much.
card set.
They're basically like force Bakugan, you know? They all fully dependent on force. Oh man.
Stand.
And with Darkus and Iris and what is it? Yeah. It's more of a tactic. Okay, this might be end for Sars. He has a G-bar boost as well, oh boy. So the thing is, I would like to do a plus 100, but then he will do plus 200, which isn't smart.
Ready?
And that's the difference between a real player and an AI.
Battle.
As long as I can get the golden ones, I shouldn't lose. Yeah, just like that. But I think it's lame for a Bakugan like Skyrus to lose with such a weak Bakugan.
Yes, I won.
Player 1's turn.
Alright, do I have any gate cards? Oh wait, I do have. You know what, I'm gonna go insurance card. For the low, why not?
Bakugan brawl. Bakugan stand.
It's,
Stand.
I hope it's not a character card.
CPU2's turn.
Wait, he can use Skyrus, right?
Gate card
I
set.
hope he can, but if he can, then it's whatever.
Bakugan stand.
Stand.
Okay, we're about even. He has the question mark thing. I don't know what it is called. Go skip
Gate
this.
card open.
Ah, man. That's what I need. Okay, so does he have any cards?
Ability
Oh, he's
card.
gonna use the
Ability
cards.
card activate.
That's a bit weird, but okay. Sure, pal.
Ability card activate.
Let's see what he has. Didn't go high, boys. He doesn't have any. Okay, I hope my Fury Ripper doesn't die. I'm scared of the power-up. This should be a dub,
Ready?
as far as I know.
Battle.
Unless he was that. I'm gonna have to try it a bit. No! No! Brother, why? Yo, that power-up is so broken, man. That's just so broken.
Player 1's
I'm
turn.
mad. I lost my favorite. No, that's not my favorite. Man. I am mad.
Gate card set.
Like, that's just lame, man. That power-up is just broken. Wait, I lost.
Bakugan brawl.
I've lost my favorite Bakugan. Can you believe it?
Bakugan, stand!
Stand.
Wait, not my favorite, but like
CPU
my favorite
choose
for now.
turn.
You know what, brother? What the heck is he doing? Please get out of map, please. Thank you.
Oh no!
Player 1's turn.
Oh yes. I can't believe it, man. It's starting to get tougher and tougher, guys. So it could have been
Bakugan, brawl! Bakugan, stand!
avoided by going my own card, maybe.
Double stand.
I don't know, to be honest. I mean, I think
You won't beat me! That's my
it
skills
could
talking!
have been close. That's all I can tell you. Okay. So we have finished this episode as well, I guess. Let's see the cutscene. If it doesn't glitch, I will show it.
I lost? Incredible. Maybe you and Leonidas really do trust each other.
Shun?
But I'll say this. If Leonidas even looks toward evil, I'll be there to stop him. You can bet on it.
How embarrassing you should know like that.
Masquerade? What are you doing here?
I'm not here for a loser like you, but Leonidas and his partner interest me. You two beat Shun and Skyrus, and even Vladitor was impressed with you. Perhaps this won't be boring, but I doubt it. Hydronoid, stand!
Ooh, he has a Doom card. Hey, yo, that's so cool. I hope I can change my deck. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to use Reaper, man. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to use Reaper. Okay, they're against Masquerade.
We got this! Ha!
He's pretty cool.
Game start.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to use Reaper. I will try to not to use him, but you know, the gameplay must be interesting. Let's not forget about that. I'm gonna go with Soros,
Gate card, set!
obviously. Let's go.
Bakugan, brawl!
Okay, that's not too hard.
Bakugan, stand!
Stand.
I'm choosing like
CPU choose turn.
trying to choose like the high defense Bakugans on purpose.
Bakugan, stand!
I don't remember having him in my as well.
Stand.
Okay. Let's see. I think I have a Darker's card.
Gate card, open!
Okay, that's a dub. Looks like a dub for now. Okay, it's about even. Okay, Masquerade. You think you're cool? You think you're tough?
Ready?
I think this Masquerade should have been like the final,
Battle!
like the boss battle, instead of Vladitor or whatever his name is. It seems stupid to me that Vladitor is like a better Bakugan than I don't know, a Masquerade. This kid is bye bye Masquerade. Masquerade lose.
Yes, I won!
Player 1.
I kind of wanna let him in just to see his face. His like lost reaction. Let's go with this one.
Gate card, set!
Like I said, boys, I will try to not use it, but I think I will still have to use it.
Bakugan,
My
brawl!
turn.
Bakugan, stand!
Stand. CPU choose turn.
Bakugan, stand!
Oh, brother. Guys,
Stand.
you know what? Reaper is
Player
lost.
1's turn.
Reaper is done anyway, so I mean, we might as well. Reaper is done anyway, so we might as well, right?
Bakugan, brawl!
He is. Come on, man. That's bullshit. We'll try to not pick up anything. Try and fight the massacre.
Bakugan, stand!
Stand.
So if he doesn't use the 200 bonus card, I hope it's not a card because otherwise it's just G. Chaos of Doom. Okay. Not bad, Mr. Masquerade. Okay, so I will be needing. I will be.
Ability card activate.
I'm gonna use 2 of them. Because yeah.
Ability card activate.
Wait, what battle? Is it worth it? No, I'm not gonna go with this one. Stamming battle. Ah, brother. Oh no, it's fine, it's fine. Yeah, we can win. It's level. Oh, yeah. It's level 2, so it should be fine.
Battle.
Love this one, by the way. Oh. Close on this one, that's great. Bye bye.
Yes, I won.
CDU2's turn.
Bakugan brawl.
I think that's Laser Man. If I'm not mistaken.
Bakugan stand.
Alright.
Stand.
Should we do it, boys?
Player 1's turn.
Let's see the card. Is it my bad card or? Wait, he has full armor. Nah, I'm good, brother. Mr. Masquerade. See you.
Bakugan brawl.
Come on, man. Come on.
I'll try harder next time.
CDU2's turn.
Go get a double stand, man. Just
Gate card set. Bakugan stand.
again? Man,
Stand.
he has a lot of G power though. And it's whatever. No, not my.
Gate card.
Maybe we should like. Okay. Yeah, he's gonna use the. Oh, he doesn't.
Ability card activate.
Flaming metal. Okay. Please not 200.
Ability card activate.
That
Ability card
sucks.
activate.
That sucks. That's what I was scared of. And he has a boost, so that's also. I mean, that's not as bad. But the weird thing is way worse.
Ready?
Okay, Masquerade. We'll finish this once and for all.
Battle.
Yeah. I think I have to play this perfectly too much. Ooh, very close. Very close. Buy this, right? That's a lot of money for me.
Yes, I won. That's my skills talking.
Ooh. It's a 460p Bakugan. Holy cow, that's strong. That's strong, man.
Impressive. You've come a long way. And you. I see now why Vladitor wants you as an ally. The offer to join us still stands. Together, we could rule all Bakugan.
I might have been tempted once, but why would I choose second best?
Fool! You'll regret this. Soon all Bakugan.
Yo, my Bakugan just dissed Leonidas. Masquerade, I mean. Ooh, okay, GG. I guess this was it, I believe. Finishing a tournament takes up like 20 minutes. I think you can finish this game in like 3 hours, if you know what you're doing. Well, depending on how you play, I mean, you can just go full tryhard. Please don't crash. I don't want to lose my saved progress. That's a long time. think it crashed. It will crash. Well, anyway, I hope it doesn't, but if it does, then I will be pretty tilted. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you all on the next episode.